Hi everyone, let's look at Leetcode 56 merge intervals. In this problem, we are given a list of intervals and we are supposed to merge two intervals if they are overlapping between them. Here we can firstly sort the intervals in the old list, then we add the intervals one by one to our new list. Like that, if there is overlapping, we do not add this interval. Instead, we just enlarge the interval at the last interval of our new list. We can enlarge this interval. We can modify the and from here to here. So this interval will become this large. If there's no overlapping, we just add them as they are. This is the Python code. If you like it, please thumb up. Thank you very much.